Today we will start from its comprehension question answers. How will you define patriotism? Patriotism means love for the motherland or devotion to one's country. पैट्रियटिज़म का क्या मतलब है? तो पैट्रियटिज़म का मतलब होता है एक इंसान जो अपने वतन से मोहब्बत करता है और उसकी अकीदत रखता है. What are the qualities of patriot? Following are the qualities of patriot. A patriot loves his country. A patriot is willing to sacrifice when the need arises. He safeguards the interest of the country. एक पैट्रियट की क्या क्वालिटीज़ हैं कि वो अपनी वतन से मोहब्बत करता है, अपनी जान कुर्बान करने के लिए तैयार रहता है और अपने जितने भी मुफाद हैं उनकी हिफाजत करता है. As a citizen of Pakistan, what are the duties towards your country? As a citizen of Pakistan, our duty towards our country are as follows. We must take care and conserve the natural resources. We should study well and become productive individuals. We must obey the laws to maintain peace and order in the country. हमें पाकिस्तान होने की हैसियत से अपनी क्या ड्यूटीज़ हैं, हमारे क्या फ़राइज़ हैं. हमें अपने मुल्क के नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज की जितने भी कुदरती वसाइल उनकी हिफाजत करनी चाहिए. अच्छा पढ़ लिख के एक बड़ा आदमी बन के अपने मुल्क की मदद करनी चाहिए और इसके अलावा जितने भी लॉज हैं उनको ओबे करना चाहिए. What makes us stay alert in the wake of foreign invasion? The spirit of patriotism makes us stay alert in the wake of foreign invasion. गैर मुल्की हमले से हमें कौन सी चीज़ आगाह रखती है? तो हमारी जो स्पिरिट है पैट्रियोटिज़म की, मुहिब वतन की, वो चीज़ हमें अलर्ट रखती है हर वक्त गैर मुल्की हमलों से. How will you elaborate Kaid's quotes? We must develop a sense of patriotism which galvanizes us all into our one united and strong nation. How can we become a strong nation? According to Kaid's quote, we must develop a sense of patriotism which should bind us all into one united and strong nation. Moreover, it is helpful in removing provincial and racial differences. In short, patriotism itself makes us stay united. So, students, that's your comprehension question answers. Now we will discuss about the additional question answers. The first one is, who offers sacrifice for the country? A patriot offers sacrifice for the country. Who led the Muslims of subcontinent in their struggle for a separate homeland? Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah led the Muslims of the subcontinent in their struggle for a separate homeland. Which is the highest military award of Pakistan? Nishan-e-Haider is the highest military award of the Pakistan. So, students, that's your comprehension and box additional question answers.